How are you doing, Carver Tigers? All right, today our TIC is 5.7a, which is explore the processes that led to the formation of sedimentary rocks and fossil fuels. Okay, so today we're going to be focusing mainly on the fossil fuels. Remember yesterday, or the last time you watched the video that was on this TIC, remember that we classified the rocks into metamorphic, igneous, and sedimentary. Today we're going to be focusing on sedimentary, okay? And we said that they are formed through the laying down of sediments. So basically, the sedimentary rocks are going to be formed when sediments are being deposited on top of other sediments. And that's where sometimes you're going to find animals that are going to be, animals and plants that are going to be in part, or that are going to be part of that deposition, or meaning that they're going to be covered by deposits of sand and silt and clay. Okay? So what happens when animals are covered suddenly and with the pressure of millions of years and with all the layers of sediments that are on top of them? They're going to become hard, and they're going to become part of that rock. Okay? And later on, the animals are going to, and the animals and the plants, they're going to be covered, and they're going to be forming what's our fossil fuels. What are fossil fuels? Well, all the fuels, the energy that comes from those dead animals and dead plants. So for example, from the animals you're going to get gas and petroleum. Petroleum is where we get our oil. And from the plants you're going to get carbon. Okay? Or that coal. Coal. That coal that you use there to make your asados or your barbecues, that's where your coal comes from. Okay? So basically what you need to understand is that when animals die, sometimes they're going to be the deposits of clay and silt and sand are going to be deposited on top of them. And time, after many years, they're going to be covered, and they're going to become solidified. Those layers are going to become solidified. And some examples are shale, limestone, conglomerate, and sandstone. One of the things that you need to understand, this may be on the test, is that the shale is going to be the oldest layer. Okay, and sandstone is going to be the newest layer. So basically, because this one was there first, right? It's basically like when you play the game. First hand that goes on the table is first, then the next one, and then the next one, and the next one. So which one of these is the oldest? The one that's on the bottom. Which one's the newest? The one that's on top. Okay? That may be on the test, so you need to know that. All right. See you again.